17. To best determine general forecast weather conditions covering a flight information region, the pilot should refer to Graphical Forecasts for Aviation, or GFA. 18. What is indicated when a current convective SIGMET forecasts thunderstorms? Answer: thunderstorms obscured by massive cloud layers. 19. Which of the reporting stations have VFR weather? KINK, KBOI, and KLAX. In the TAF from KOKC, the clear sky becomes overcast at 2,000 feet during the forecast period between 2200Z and 2400Z. During the time period from 0600Z to 0800Z, what visibility is forecast for KOKC? The answer: greater than 6 statute miles. In the TAF from KOKC, the FM group is forecast for the hours from 1600Z to 2200Z with wind from 180 degrees at 10 knots. 23. What are the current conditions depicted for Chicago Midway Airport, KMDW? And the answer: sky 700 feet overcast, visibility 1 to half SM, rain 1 to half SM. The wind and temperature at 1200 feet MSL as reported by a pilot are 80 degrees at 21 knots and -7 degrees. 25. SIGMETs are issued as a warning of weather conditions hazardous to all aircraft. 26. In the TAF for KMEM, what does SHRA stand for? The answer: rain showers. 27. What wind is forecast for SFL at 9,000 feet? The answer: 230 degrees true at 32 knots. What is the valid period for the TAF for KMEM? The answer: 12th 1800Z to 13th 2400Z. When requesting weather information for the following morning, a pilot should request an outlook briefing. 30. What should pilots state initially when telephoning flight service for pre-flight weather information? The answer: the intended route of flight and destination. 31. What wind is forecast for STL at 1200 feet? The answer: 230 degrees true at 39 knots. 32. The intensity and type of icing reported by a pilot is light to moderate, rime. LGT to mod equals rime. If the terrain elevation is 1,295 feet MSL, what is the height above ground level of the base of the ceiling? The answer is 505 feet AGL. 34. Determine the wind and temperature aloft forecast for DEN at 9,000 feet. The answer is 230 degrees true at 21 knots. Temperature -4 degrees Celsius. 35. The intensity of the turbulence reported at a specific altitude is light from 5,500 feet to 7,200 feet. 36. When the term light and variable is used in reference to a winds aloft forecast, the coded group and wind speed is 9,900 and less than 5 knots. 37. Determine the wind and temperature aloft forecast for MKC at 6,000 feet. The answer is 200 degrees true at 6 knots, temperature +3 degrees Celsius. 39. Air METs are advisories of significant weather phenomena but of lower intensities than SIGMETs and are intended for dissemination to all pilots. 39. To get a complete weather briefing for the planned flight, the pilot should request a standard briefing. 40. When telephoning flight service for pre-flight weather information, pilots should state the aircraft identification or the pilot's name. 41. A weather briefing that is provided when the information request is 6 or more hours in advance of the proposed departure time is an outlook briefing. 42. To update a previous weather briefing, a pilot should request an abbreviated briefing. That's all for the weather service section of the knowledge test for the helicopter pilot test. Thank you guys so much. And if you want to see more, you can like, subscribe, and follow. Love you guys. Bye.